the other thing that I'll say is that a lot of people assume, I think, that in this country, because it became illegal to be racist in business in 1964, 1965. So we're thinking about the Voting Rights Act, we're thinking about Fair Housing Act, we're thinking about those civil rights acts of the 60s. That at that point, because they went into place, and then when they were generally enforced, because it took a couple years maybe in certain places, especially in the South where I live, that once they were enforced, that you could not be racist in business, you could not be racist in voting, then that means that the slate was wiped clean. And that, I think, is false. Just because the slate is wiped clean on that type of executive level or judicial level, that doesn't mean now we're all starting from the same point. And I think that's 55 years later, I think that's pretty obvious.